We designed our logo based on the principles that we firmly adhere to. Diverse educational system followed by practical demonstration and creativity for never-ending learning. To accomplish the goal, our emblem consists of 4 core elements: a book embedded over computer, a beaker and Erlenmeyer flasks over book, a human brain with enlightened creativity, and a graduation cap over the book. These elements are enclosed within a shield and surrounded on either side by olive leaf. The academic institution symbolizes a prestigious organization, Stamebridge International School. Within the walls of this premises, your child will be nurtured, educated, protected, and molded into strong, independent, and powerful individuals who will take the world forward as the future citizens of our country. The book over computer symbolizes hybrid education and creativity. Over the years, your child will be trained by incorporating them with interactive learning with modern technologies to make them unable to express themselves through reading, writing, and public speaking. From the initial stage using a high-tech gadgets and notebook, Montessori through grade 2 by using a mighty pen and computer, grade 3 through grade 8 later, your child will be able to communicate effectively by embedding their thoughts into words which will not only enhance their personal development but also impact those who are close to them.
The beaker and Erlenmeyer flasks over book represents practical knowledge. Starting from our pre-primary level, integrated curriculum, pre-primary Montessori level functional and creative curriculum, primary grade level cognitive curriculum, to our middle school level explorative and experiential learning based curriculum, children are equipped with an organic, student-centric, all-round, wholesome and sustainable education, crucial for a productive and successful future. Undoubtedly, we would leave no stone unturned to stand up to your expectations. The human brain with enlightened creativity represents concept of bright idea, problem solving and creative solution generation, brainstorming intelligence, being smart, creative and a genius. It also represents the quality of our education. We assure the best for your child, and our efforts is a sort of bright bulb. Light is a symbol of divinity, enlightenment, and success. We ensure a high-quality education so that your child will have a beautiful future and glow bright as a pole star. Our core values help to lead and guide to each and every one as the pathfinders to the lost travelers. The graduation cap over the books represents a culmination of holistic education. Children who leave our institution after the successful completion of their educational journey leave as smart, perceptive, responsible, and sharp individuals capable of facing their future head-on. They are molded into inventive and imaginative thinkers capable of expressing themselves in the field that they choose for further education.
The olive leaf symbolizes security, protection and nourishment to your child under nature's lap. Our priority within the education framework is to ensure that your child is safe and protected from any kind of dangers that may be lurking. Well-trained and highly qualified security guards from reputed security service agencies ensure that your child is well protected within the school premises, and only verified and validated personnel are allowed within the school boundary. Constant surveillance is guaranteed by 24/7 CCTV supervision so that children are monitored at every level. This criterion has made us unique and dignified. For more details, please visit our website www.sisrajapakar.com or call at 8935986239. You can also connect us on social media through social media handle SIS Rajapakar.